Let's start by clarifying a myth. W is not a consonant. W is a semi-vowel. It's half consonant, half vowel. Therefore, there are two sounds mixed together, U and A. So this sound has two components, U and A. So we go wah, wah, sideways, wah, wah. Curl your lips, extend them like a kiss, and then open the sound. Sometimes it helps to place your hands right next to your lips to make sure that you are pushing your lips in. Wah, wah. This is a bilabial, as in two lips, voiceless sound. Relax your tongue and teeth. Only your lips are needed. Sample sentence. Will spoke towards the wind. Ba versus wa. Some confuse W with the letter B or V. Incorrect. Water. Correct. Water. So incorrect. Water or water. Correct. Water. Water. Remember, ba has a pop, ba has a bounce, wa has a curl. So remember, ba has a little bit of a puff or a pop, ba. Va has a bounce from the top to the back of the lip, va. And wa has that curl, wa. Pro tip: don't forget to use a mirror or a camera when in doubt. Question words, special mention. They are often stressed in sentences, so curl up with when, where, what, and why. When, where, what, and why. But ignore the W sound when asking for pronouns. Who, whom, mark M. Whose, whistle the S. So curl up your lips, practice and enjoy. Wah.